Why is Infinity Surfaces taking the South African market by storm? Well, you can use it basically anywhere. This latest installation at the Malvern Shopping Center in KwaZulu-Natal is the perfect example. Fully cladded with concrete light infinity slabs, this building doesn't only look good, but now has some key sustainability elements too, using ventilated facades. The ventilated facade architecturally embraces the building and allows it to breathe, so that the movement of air keeps the building warm in winter and cool in summer. A ventilated facade is made up from the outside to the inside. A layer of cladding is held onto the building by a special vertical profile anchorage structure, typically made of aluminium, along with a layer of insulation anchored to the main building structure. It is in actual fact a simple system which works by the stack or chimney effect, whereby hot air moving upwards helps maintain a constant temperature, improving conditions in the building. Thermal expansion must always be taken into consideration and allowed to avoid bending of the structure and possible breakage of the cladding slabs. Most of the systems that use porcelain stone slabs as a ventilated facade have open joints. Open joints produce a lower temperature inside, thus a lower velocity of air. Ventilated facades are ecological and sustainable, especially when using infinity slabs that do not release VOCs. They can improve energy efficiency by up to 30%. And with Infinity's high durability, you can welcome fire protection, weather protection, and solar protection. Suitable for outdoor use and coming in large format slabs means that Infinity Surfaces will bring your ventilated facades and cladding to life. Visit infinitysurfaces.co.za for more information on their infinite possibilities.